This is my video about one of my favorite places to go. It's clearly, as you can see on the screen, is Yosemite National Park in California. And because of current situation in our country with COVID and stuff, I haven't been able to go in a whole year. But I've done so many things in Yosemite, and I love Yosemite. I love hiking and backpacking, mostly in Yosemite, because it's just a lot of fun. While Yosemite, some of the larger things like Half Dome get all the serious hype in Yosemite. The Half Dome hike, which I've done several times, is a lot of fun and pretty amazing, but it's not my favorite thing at all to do in Yosemite. Actually, my favorite thing in Yosemite is this. It's Clouds Rest. And the hike to Clouds Rest is so much more amazing than even the Half Dome hike. The Half Dome has obviously the 45-degree angle going up the side to summit, but the view from the top of Clouds Rest is just so much better and amazing. The very top, as you can see in this picture over here on the right, is a final ascent to the top of Clouds Rest. It's a very thin walkway. It's been described as a sidewalk, or the width of a sidewalk, as you travel up to the very top and the summit. Highly recommend it. It's accessible off of Tioga Pass Road, park at Lake Tenaya, and there's a trailhead right near Lake Tenaya, and it's about 7 mile. You can do it on a day trip, so you don't have to have get a permit to camp, because it's only about 7 miles one way. But if you want to camp and backpack and take your time and do some other stuff while you're up there, you have to get a permit. And I'm pretty sure as of even most recently, still no campfires allowed. But a lot of fun. Totally enjoy it. Go to Yosemite. It's amazing. All right. Thanks. Bye.